I'm going to be unboxing the Artemis. It holds 30 rival bullets. So let's get to unboxing. So guys, now we are finished unboxing. So I'm going to point out the important parts. So this is the magazine slide. You slide it back so you can see the opening of where you put the bullets in. Then you slide it back so no bullets come out. This is the integrated magazine. It cannot be removed. This is the pump handle. When you pull it back, it should make a sound. Like that. And then you push it forward. Then you fire. This is the trigger lock. If you push it on the left, it locks. So you can't fire. And if you push it on the right, you can fire. So let's get to the Nerf room.
You forgot the gun?
I know, I'm getting it now. Before we begin, always remember to wear safety gear, don't shoot your pets, and make sure your parents are wearing safety gear before you shoot them. So guys, there is two types of firing. One is single shot. So you pull it back and then you shoot. And there's also slam fire, when you hold down the trigger and move the pump handle. And if your gun is not firing, make sure to look at your ready indicator because it must be yellow to fire. So there's going to be two rounds. One is single shot and another is going to be slam fire. And today, Daddy is going to be defending himself with the mask, the vest, and 2 pillows. Daddy, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, do it. Now I'm going to do slam fire, just because it's taking a while. Oh God.
Oh. Oh.
And done. Daddy, how do you rate from 1 to 10 everything about this gun?
I think that this gun's about an 8.
I prefer slam fire instead of single shot because single shot seems to fire just a little bit slower than slam fire. Dad, did you see the difference between slam fire and single shot?
Actually, I couldn't tell the difference at all.
I find the accuracy of this gun, it's good. But comparing it to the Nemesis, it's not even close. Not even close! I wouldn't prefer this in my next few Nerf battles because my arm strength isn't that really good.
So I get to use it?
I guess. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the like button, get an iron wrist, and do slam fire 30 times! Ow. Goodbye!
You are watching the Little Drum Girl.
Hi!
You ready?
Hi!
Ready?